Don't forget to check out my Patreon, linked in the description below. I react to many other videos that get blocked on YouTube, such as Idol Rooms, Knowing Bros, lots of Red Velvet Level Up project episodes, concert videos such as Twiceland, Twice Lights, and Redmare. We also have some dramas like He is Psychometric. We also have Finding Stray Kids and One Fine Day in Japan of 17. Also got 7 hard carry episodes. So don't forget to check out my Patreon. Thank you, and continue on with the video. Hey guys, Angie here, and today we have Treasure Map episode 1. So how this worked is, when I started reacting to Treasure, it was right before their debut, and I already knew the group. I've seen Treasure Box, YG Treasure Box. I tried to react to it, and I did. I watched every single episode. Every single one. All the episodes. I binged a lot of them because I really enjoyed it, and I already knew the boys and everything, so it was a little easier to just rewatch it. And then my channel got deleted, and at that time I only uploaded the first episode. So for those asking when I'm going to continue, I already did it all, and I'm not going to rewatch it because I just rewatched it, so it's fresh in my mind. So sadly, I basically rewatched it for no reason. I mean, I guess in my mind I got to remember stuff, so that's good, but it was a lot of time. I could have recorded something else. But yeah, so I have rewatched it. Then, before debut, I already watched the first 11 episodes of Treasure Map on my own, like when it came out, but I couldn't tell anyone apart. And you can see in my episode 12 reaction, I didn't know their faces well. I knew like a couple of them. So yeah, you guys said, hey, can you watch the first few episodes that I didn't react to? So that's what we're doing. They'll probably be like mixed, like it'll probably be a mixture of this new reactions with the old ones too, because I'm trying to re-upload those. So yeah, just heads up. But yeah, I don't even remember a few of these episodes. I know one episode they go to, who was it? J-Hook's graduation? No, he's still in school. It was his birthday, I think. No, it was Jungwon's birthday. Yeah, I think it was Jungwon's birthday. That's it. And then the sleepover episode, which was so funny. I really wish I reacted to that one. And I think one episode they eat. So yeah, let's hop into the video. There's a gnat flying around, so don't mind me if I'm out here trying to kill this stupid gnat. There's a few gnats actually. I don't understand. The house is clean. I bleached everything at this point because I'm so tired of it. The captions are probably small for you guys. I don't know why they keep shrinking. Oh, shoot. There you guys go. Die. Got my Shrek DVDs as a murder weapon. Oh, that's so cute. Why? Why kids? Not complaining. I enjoy it, but it's only been a year, and they already look so different. Okay, this is the eating video. Okay.
중요한 룰이 하나 있어요. 세 팀으로 나눠서 장을 보게 됐는데 서로 재료를 상의하지 않고 두 재료씩 사와서 모여서.
Okay, yeah, they go to the grocery store. Okay. It's only cabbage.
알탕 되는 거 아니에요? 재미없게 미리 짜지 말자 우리. 그래. 진짜 재밌게 하자. 믿어 안 해. 진짜 믿어요. 다들 믿는 거 알죠? 아 서로 머리 좀 사용해야 돼요. 떡볶이랑.
Okay, Team 1, J-Hook, Asahi, Yeram, Jungwoo. They have 15-minute limit. Okay. They're getting ingredients. Asahi looks so different. Me. Actually, I hate pushing the cart. Look how they just look so different already. The liquor section.
일단 도망가고 위에만 보면 다 적혀 있어요. 봐봐요. 여기 없죠? 여기 없어요. 31번 없어요. 패스. 야 개인당 두 개니까 뭐 사면 기억해야 돼.
Do some eggs. One mission. Get the eggs.
맞는지 모르겠다.
60 eggs. Wow.
누가 살 것 같아? 아, 오케이. 그 빨리 시식에 찾자.
I enjoy food.
저쪽에 있거든요.
I want free samples. Me. Of course. Always gotta get those free samples. This how you like it?
시작한 거요? 잠깐만 시작한 거죠? 일단 이 저쪽 가서
Die.
저쪽부터 보자.
형, 저희가 음료수
I always have to
야
wash
그래
my
너네
hands
음료
after
보고
these.
있어.
오케이. 일단 저희가 마실 수 있는 음료수랑
Yoshi looks so cute.
음료수를 사야 되거든요.
What is
그래서
this?
음료수랑
음료수.
Or was that Yoshi making it? Oh yeah, he made
이것도
it too.
뒤에서 하면 꿀이죠.
오케이. 가자로 또 보여줘.
저희 그냥 막 살게요.
보여줘.
죄송합니다.
너의 플렉스 보여줘.
이번에
오케이 그치.
제목이 플렉스이기 때문에
So this is called a
플렉스
flex.
해야죠 저희도.
Wow.
아, 일단 현승이 형 공부.
I mean, they're grown boys. We have to run it by him, the
이걸로
leader.
괜찮죠?
이 정도? 그 더 넣어.
There's some
그냥
more.
맛있어. 플렉스 해버려.
They're so
다 사, 그냥
cute.
다 사. 안 샀을 것 같아. 다 사, 그냥 다 사. 나 이거 한번 해보고 싶었어. 그냥 사.
He's
그냥
so
사.
cute.
먹으면 돼.
Not following
하나,
the
둘,
rules.
셋.
시작했습니다. 지금.
약간 프리스타일로 가자. 우리 약간 고민하지
김현정
말자.
김하시오
자일리톨.
경원.
자일리톨 살래? 자일리톨.
Isn't that gum
떡볶이 먹고 나서 생각해야 되니까 아이스크림도 사자.
or something? I think it's gum.
세제 좋지. 우리 숙소에 세제 없으니까. 근데 지금 한 5분 지난 것 같으니까 라면 먹자.
Yeah, definitely.
라면. 제일 중요하잖아.
약간 멋있게 지나간 척하면서 살짝 떨어뜨리는 거야. 지나가고 깨끗이
What's that clip?
이렇게 깔끔한 척 한번 해주고. 깔끔한 질라면 그냥 간거 알지? 이렇게 알지?
형 김 샀을까요?
야, 떡은.
아 얘들 샀겠지. 안
Rice
사는 애들이
cakes?
어디 있어? 떡볶이 만드는데.
You can't rely on people, man. You can't be like, I'm sure they bought it, because sometimes they don't.
우리가 이거 했으니까.
그러면
참.
나도 갔다 올게.
너네 이거 이거.
Alright, get those rice cakes.
김밥걸 두 개를.
I want to try rice cakes.
김은 애들이 사겠지.
Oh no, they keep thinking. I'm pretty sure they were though. I think they said it.
치즈떡 혹시 어디 있는?
떡볶이 만들고.
Cheesy rice cakes. Oh no, no.
알겠습니다.
와 이거 큰일 났다 형.
No, they sell them. They're just out of stock.
팔아요?
저희 떡볶이 아니라 그냥 볶기 아니야 볶기?
It'd be like that though.
다 보셨나요 여러분?
Sometimes I forget there's 12. 12? 11? 12. 12, because it was Treasure 13. I'm like, was it? Literally, I just don't think about the number. I know who's in the group and I just forget the number.
하겠습니다.
잠깐만. 왜 한 통밖에 없지?
소박하지만 근본 있어요.
알뜰하다.
알차요. 근본 있어요.
아 기대할게.
J-Hook is good at advertising. It's small, but it works.
어묵을 생각 못했다.
김밥 필수템 햄.
그치?
고기.
Junkie so dramatic. Cheese with the
마지막인데
cheese.
이건 절대 예상 못해요. 장담해요.
기대할게.
진짜 기대도 좋아요. 이게
이게
뭔가
맛이야.
김밥의 맛을 더 올려줄 부드러운 게 없을까 생각했는데
참기름, 참치.
연어. 연어.
Oh, Hyunsuk chill. Hyunsuk is so dramatic. Hyunsuk.
근데 김이 없네. 밥이랑.
I feel like Hyunsuk was a lot more like active in the first few episodes. Like he's a lot more out there.
김이 없네. 밥이랑.
설마. 아니 나 믿고 맡겼어.
믿고 있지. 맡겼지.
Oh.
야 박스값 해라. 이러다가 미드김밥 되는 거 아니야? 두 번째 하세요. 두 번째.
Alright. Who's Mashio's team, dude?
PS 윈
김이다.
당연하죠.
Didn't they get like all the snacky stuff?
앞 팀이랑 좀 겹치는 게 있는데요.
It's okay, we can get double stuff.
모짜렐라 치즈를 가져왔습니다.
It's okay, more cheese.
삼겹살.
그냥 오늘 삼겹살 파티 하죠.
Have barbecue party.
레전드 팀 골랐어요.
뭐야?
비엔나 소시지요.
Oh, I like Hyunsuk sausage. Look, Hyunsuk, I'm telling you, he's so extra in the first few episodes. At least this one,
그리고 제일 중요한
and
거
I think another one, I can't remember.
아저 박지훈 왜 그래?
대박이야 진짜. 이것도 필수예요. 뭐야? 김치. 내가 진짜 오늘 성공이야. 그리고 떡볶이 떡.
Okay.
떡을 안 판대.
They did. Oh shit, I forgot. They did find it.
김치에 가면 떡이 있대.
What she said, I think, were out. You can't always trust one staff because sometimes they don't get the
나 모르겠어.
information from the other staff.
나이스 초이스였어. 일단 여기까진 좋아요. 나올 거면 다 나온 거 아니야?
약간 무서워. 그냥 난 걱정이 돼. 진짜 다 못 먹을 것 같아.
야, 너희는 가보시지. 왜 부순 거 아니야?
아하.
They're really down with they can eat everything. Come on, guys, you know you can. What if they only had beverages? Like everyone just had.
상상한 거 이상으로 많이 사왔어.
Got that Coke, that juices.
200장 샀는데.
It's so interesting to me that Minute Maid's everywhere.
아, 카레 가루가 아니라 이거
카레 가루가
왜 카레 가루 말고 이걸 왜 샀어? 맞다.
자, 숙소로 가져가세요.
숙소 가서 먹으면 되거든. 생필품을 사왔는데?
그 라스트.
라스트.
나의
Last.
초이스야. 새우야? 어.
Shrimp.
근데 우리
Wow, very similar to a lot of stuff in America, like the way it's packaged.
288인분 요리 시작해 볼까요?
준비됐습니다.
Oh yeah, we're cooking.
해보자고.
Tteokbokki.
해보자고.
자, 뒤쪽 조심해라. 아사히 쪽 조심해.
제가 지금 기분은 계속 보고 있어요.
뜨거 조심해라.
와.
우리 원래 이렇게 하는 거 맞아? 나이스.
Nice. Oh, Jangwon.
오, 다 탔어 지금.
Oh, is it? I don't know. I don't eat meat. Really. Like, I'm not a vegetarian, but
우리 엄마가
90% of my food's
먼저
not
넣으라
meat.
했어. 우리 엄마가. 맞지 엄마?
어 맞아.
현석이 했죠. What's that? Okay.
이거 뭐예요? 저거 후레이크야?
이게 육수야. 뭔데? 안 뜨거?
그렇게 하는 거 아세요?
Your dog's like, what are y'all doing?
이게
I
맞나
don't
싶다.
know.
나
I
진짜
don't.
잘 모르겠다.
형, 자신감이에요, 자신감.
Oh, poor thing.
야, 이 정도면 됐을 것 같아.
Oh, that was so sweet. Haruto is a little angel sometimes. Or all the time, let's be real here.
괜찮아, 괜찮아.
자신감을 가지자. 나 자신감을 가질래. 음식 앞에서 무서워하면 뭘 도전할 수 있겠어?
What?
야 나도 하나만. 나 이거 진짜 내가 태어나서 내가 너무 먹고 싶었어.
Since I was born.
우와.
지금 이제 시작이야?
이제 소스 넣어.
나 할 수 있어? 나 할 수 있어요? 재혁!
저가 믿어.
넣을게요.
Yeah.
그냥 쑥 넣으면 될 것 같아.
아, 뜨거워.
재혁아 한 번에 많이 넣어.
We all know Jay is the lion type. That's just who he
나
is.
빨개졌어.
그러니까 난 지금 빨개지는 거 맞추고.
Rewatching.
냄새가요. 왜요, 형?
Oh shoot. I completely forgot. If you're here from my other channel, I always mention I had this notebook, and this notebook was when I watched YG Treasure Box for the first time in 2019. Was that when it came out? Yeah. And I wrote down, I always do this if I watch like a survival show like that. I wrote down names and who I liked in that season. Like, so like to remember who I'm rooting for and their names and everything. And I found it because I couldn't find it before. But I found it, and strangely enough, my bias, if you don't know here, my biases are Sahi, Haruto, I guess Hyunsuk, and like Jungkook, like Machio. Like those are my biases, I guess. But Asahi and Haruto are my main biases. And strangely enough, okay. In the beginning of the show, I was rooting for none of them. None of them. Like, I really like Jungwoo. But I didn't. Wow, my handwriting's trash. Just remind you, I was sick. But like, I put a star next to who I liked, and the Karuto and Sahi, they're just not no stars. I really liked Yoshinori and Mahiro and them, but I was always rooting for Youngwoo and Jungwoo since like day one. I have a handwriting of a boy. Please just know I am left-handed. But as the show went on, I was never rooting for Haruto, very strangely. Yeah. I did like Jihoon. I just don't remember that I liked him. Yeah. Time went on. This was like probably like episode 3. Still no heart for Haruto. This like episode 4 maybe. No heart for Haruto. I liked Mashiho. After a while, I guess. Yeah. I never had a heart next to Haruto or Asahi. Like I never. Oh, okay. Episode like 8 or whatever DNA episode. I finally liked Haruto. I finally put a heart next to his name. And yeah, so I just wanted to, because I feel like I want to know what my mindset was at that time, because I remember when they debuted, I wasn't too hyped because a lot of people I liked didn't make it, but then the two team things happened. So
된 거야 이거.
why are they, Jihoon, Mashio, why y'all? Oh, okay. I was like, what is he?
이거 만드는 거 아닌데? 계란말이 만드는 게 아니라 펼쳐야 돼.
No, he can do what he wants. Come on, Jihoon.
계란만
I love Jihoon's like greenish blue hair though. Recently.
진짜 채소가 하나도 없네.
All I want is to try a rice cake.
김준규.
Oh gosh, jump Q, baby.
삶아 됐을까요?
계란 넣을게요. 계란 넣을게요.
계란 들어오세요.
얘네가 더 들어가고 싶대. 얘네만. 딱 얘네까지 자기까지 태워달래.
들어오래.
Maybe he's younger, just.
오케이 이제 마감. 야 이제 김밥 말자. 자 재료 손질 다 했지. 이거 이렇게?
이렇게 하는 건가요? 오, 잘 된 거 같아.
Oh. Working hard over there.
싹.
Oh, they're making bibimbap instead. I was like, sushi? Confused.
몰라.
힘으로 하는 거야.
Just use your strong grip.
오, 된 거 같은데요? 됐다.
됐나니까.
I've seen so many people make gimbap now that I'm just. Oh, we own those because we use it to make sushi rolls.
끝.
Like California sushi rolls.
맛있게 한번 먹어볼까요? 네.
잘 먹겠습니다.
It's ringing some bells. I just don't remember what exactly was happening in the episodes. It's more like I just know I remember the concept.
진짜야? 진짜?
할 수가 있어?
자, 먹읍시다.
Asahi. Miyama Asahi.
고기부터 먹어봐야지.
덕분에 맛있는데? 여기.
와, 준기 형은
와.
우와. 진짜 맛있어.
와.
Look at the way he eats. So cute. Me being whipped. The
야 우리가
judgment.
근데 처음 만든
Don't they do ASMR or something, I think?
거 아니야? 그지?
면도 뭔가
Okay.
떡떡이
똑똑하다고. 면이 떡이 돼서.
근데 맛은 진짜 맛있어요. 맵지도 않고 너무 맵지도 않고
약간 초등학교 2학년이 생각난 맛이야.
김밥 한번 도전해야 되는 부분 아닙니까? 김밥 먹어보세요.
The way it's so messy. You can tell they made it. Who's not that put together.
김밥 맛있어요.
맛있어.
김밥 내가 쌌는데 질기네.
It looks a little. Yeah.
아, 아쉽지만 첫 챌린지 심지어 플렉스는 했는데 먹지는 못했습니다.
No, it looks good.
자, 여러분
Better than I can do.
비록
Most of them, they're all
실패했지만
younger than me,
다음
actually.
챌린지를 기약하면서 정말 오늘은 잘
Look at my
먹었습니다.
leader, my leader. Well, half the leader. Oh. Oh yeah, they have the little extra clips. Oh yeah, they do the ASMR. There we go.
ASMR 여시입니다. 지금부터 떡볶이 먹겠습니다.
Oh, she looks so cute with that jacket.
김밥을 진짜 잘 쌌어요. 지금 한 8분째 먹고 있는데 많이 친해졌어요.
We're hitting it off well. Your dad kills me. The sound he made.
아,
You don't please. Oh, Asahi. I miss this Asahi. Well, he has black hair now, but he styles it differently. This Asahi and blonde Asahi is my favorite. I hate it. So cute. I love that they did the members who were like a little quieter and didn't get a lot of screen time, like Giram and Asahi. Yoshi was kind of in it, but like we got a little clip of them at least. But anyways, that is it for this video. I'm very curious. I really don't remember some of these episodes, and they're definitely gonna ring bells once I see them, but I made sure to avoid as much as I can so I could watch it. I just wanted to wait because I didn't want to like it would have been more fresh in my mind if I did it right away. But yeah, anyways, that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below. What's your favorite episode out of the first 11? Like from this one to the sleepover one. The sleepover one rings the most bells to me, and that's when I was like, I should react to this. So, anyways, that is it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Thanks.